I guess in thinking about the solution, a quote from Peter Drucker which said, "Accept the fact that we have to treat almost anybody as a volunteer."
But this is your chance, your opportunity to say, how are we, and those of us in our organization as leaders, whether it's learning, HR, or otherwise, going to, proverbially, take the bull by the horns and say, we are going to put our people first.
To add further complexity, my boss said to me, "James, I want you to go ahead and look at a LMS. However, in about 2 years from now, we're going to implement a global HRS. We don't know what that's going to look like yet. We don't know what the scope's going to be, but I want you to carry on with what you're doing right now." Yeah, okay, that's going to be fun.
What we do is about more than just courseware and technology. We're providing solutions for employees to better themselves, to learn new skills, to get new jobs, and in the end, to deliver better performance in their organizations.
HR and learning is one of the largest enterprise application segments. As a matter of fact, IDC, which is one of the largest analyst firms, has indicated that by 2016, 2 years from now, the size of the market is going to be $33 billion as you're starting to see learning and HR converge.